Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are passionate about investing or just looking to get smarter with your money, you are in for a treat. Today, we are diving deep into The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, a book that's been hailed as the Bible of value investing. We'll explore its key lessons, while its favorite of Warren Buffett, and how you can apply these principles to your own investment strategy. Let's get started. The Intelligent Investor was first published in 1949 and has since become a cornerstone for anyone looking to make wise investment decisions. Written by Graham, a legendary investor and a mentor to Warren Buffett. This book lays out the principles of value investing and how to achieve long term success in the stock market. Let's kick things off with the core philosophy of value investing, which Graham introduced in his book. Value investing is all about buying undervalued stocks and holding them for the long term. The key is to invest with a margin of safety, meaning you buy assets for less than their intrinsic value. Graham's philosophy centers on the idea that you should not follow market trends but focus on the fundamentals. He emphasizes a disciplined approach where you evaluate a company's financial health, earnings, and growth prospects before making an investment decision. One of the most important concepts Graham introduced is margin of safety. This principle involves buying investment at a price significantly below their intrinsic value to minimize risk. By doing so, you protect yourself against unforeseen market fluctuations and errors in your analysis. Imagine buying a stock worth rupees 100 for just $60. If the market price drops, you are still protected because you bought it at a discount. This safety net is crucial for long term investment success and helps mitigate potential losses. Graham also draws a clear distinction between investing and speculating. Investing involves careful analysis and focus on the underlying value of an asset, while speculating is more about guessing and hoping for short term gains. For example, investing in a company with strong fundamentals and a solid track record is a strategic approach, whereas buying stocks based on market hype or trends is more speculative. Graham's book encourages investors to adopt a long term perspective and avoid the pitfalls of speculation. According to Graham, there are two types of investors: the defensive investor and the enterprising investor. The defensive investor seeks safety and steady returns, while the enterprising investor is willing to put in more effort to achieve higher returns. As a defensive investor, you might focus on low risk investments like bonds or blue chip stocks. On the other hand, an enterprising investor might explore undervalued stock or emerging markets. Understanding your own risk tolerance and investment style is key to implementing Graham's strategies effectively. Now, let's talk about some actionable principles from the intelligent investor that you can apply. Be patient and disciplined. Investing is not a get rich quick scheme. It requires patience and discipline to stick to your strategy and wait for the right opportunities. Do your search. Thoroughly analyze potential investments. Look into financial statements, earning reports, and market conditions before making decisions. Diversify your portfolio. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Diversification helps spread risk and improve chances of achieving stable returns. Stay informed. Keep up with the market trends and news. But don't let short term fluctuations sway your long term strategy. So, why has Warren praised the intelligent investor so highly? Buffett credits Graham's teachings with shaping his investment philosophy. The principles of value investing and the margin of safety are fundamental to Warren's approach to building wealth. Warren's success story is a testament to effectiveness of Graham's principles. By applying these strategies, Warren turned a modest investment into billions, demonstrating the power of value investing. And there you have it, an in depth look at the intelligent investor and why it remains a timeless resource for anyone looking to excel in investing. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. What's your favorite investing book or principle? Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time with more insights.